This old guitar may be broken, but it still has soul, and today I'll begin bringing it back to life. I'll be using premium materials and quality parts to turn it into a high-end instrument. If this sounds interesting, pull up a chair and stick with me. The guitar was built back in the 1950s or 60s in a town called Luby in what was then Czechoslovakia by a company named Cremona. It's not mine, it belongs to my good friend Andrei, with whom I played in a band for over 15 years. The guitar actually belonged to his wife's uncle, a jazz guitarist, many years ago. For the past 20 years or so, it's been more of a decoration, hanging on the wall of their living room. Over time, it also suffered various accidents and was put back together more or less properly. Now, Andrei has asked me to bring it back to life and make it playable again. He even wants to take it up on stage. While it's not a rare or high-end instrument, it is a beautiful 70-year-old guitar. The wood is dry and well-aged, which makes it a great candidate for restoration. But turning it into a stage-ready instrument is no easy task. Everything needs to be spot on, especially the playability and the sound. In many aspects, it must come out much better than it was when it left the factory 70 years ago. To do that, I'll be using the highest quality materials and components that I could find, and I'll be pouring tens, maybe hundreds of hours into this project. No compromises. I'll be documenting the full process in a series of episodes, and I'll let the process speak for itself, with no voiceover, just ambient sounds and titles to guide you along the way. So, if you're into guitar builds, repairs or transformations like this, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss anything. Alright, let's get to work. Click here for the first video in the series.